In this video, I'll show you how to create a PocketLab Notebook account and then upgrade it to a free trial of PocketLab Notebook Pro. First, open up a Google Chrome browser and then go to the PocketLab.com/app. PocketLab Notebook runs on a web browser and any device. To create your account, click Log In the upper right corner of the screen. If you already have an account, you can log in here. If you don't have an account, you can click Sign Up to create your free account. You'll enter in some information to fill out your account profile. After you click Sign Up, you'll get an email with a confirmation code to complete your sign up process. Once you get your 6-digit email verification code, enter it here. You have now created your PocketLab Notebook account. To try a free trial of PocketLab Notebook Pro, click on the Classes page here, and then click Start Free Trial. With your PocketLab Notebook Pro account, you can create classes and assign students lab reports for them to work on in class or at home. Check out the example classroom to get started. Build your own lab reports to assign to students from the Lab Report Library page, or browse our resources of dozens and dozens of lab reports that you can use in your class. We're adding more every week. You can also check out our tutorial lab reports to help you get started with PocketLab Notebook.